So let's have a look at different options inside ListView. This time I will not create a new ListView, I will change this ListView. So if you command click it, or in Windows control click it, it will go for it. Then inside here, instead of having a normal ListView, I will type here dot builder. Then we will have two different errors. The first error is ListView.builder. We need to pass item builder, and item builder is pretty much the same like ListView.separated. We have to pass build context and we have to pass integer to it, and we don't have children actually in ListView.builder. The children or child property will be inside the builder, so let's pass a builder, item builder, saying build context, then let's pass index. Inside here we need to return a widget, so let's type return only 1t, and the return here will be this container. So I will copy this align, the first one, all the align, and paste it here. And since this is return, so we have to pass this time semicolon instead of a comma. And I will delete all of these children. Alright, so the second thing I want to do, I will have to pass item count. So let's say for example 5, save it now, and let's see what happens. So this is our ListView.builder, and this is actually scrollable, but we don't see it because it's the same color. So what we can do to fix this error issue, we can create a function down here. Let's say a function with return type color. Let's call it getColor. And this function would take an index int I. Then let's make a switch statement. And this switch statement is about the I. So case 0, for example, return colors dot blue. Case 1, return colors dot black. Case 2, return colors dot yellow. Case 3, return colors dot green. And case 4, return colors dot pink. Alright, so we're still having an error in case this I doesn't match any case of these cases, so we have to pass default, and let's say colors dot black, and save it now. Before we save it, sorry, we have to change this. Instead of colors dot blue, we have to say getColor and give it the index, and we need to remove this const and save it now, and it will appear. Hopefully we are still having an error. We have to say return here as well. So let's save it now and see what happens. Alright, so this is our ListView.builder, and in case we increase the number from 5 to any other larger number than 5, all the others will be black because we are returning the default as black, unless we create more cases. So this is how we create ListView.builder. You might ask, why would we create ListView.builder instead of ListView? Well, if we created a ListView, we will have to write a line and container every time we want. For example, we want 10 or 5. We have to write 5 align inside them, 5 containers, and so on. And creating a function with a switch statement and returning color is much better than creating duplicate widgets. And there are one more benefit of ListView.builder, and it's the one that matters, that when we create ListView.builder, for example, these containers we are not seeing right now when we are at the end of the list. So Flutter would not create them, and we will not, if we are not seeing them, it will not create them. Once we see them, it will create them. So for performance, ListView.builder, it's much better than ListView. We use ListView if we have different items, but we use ListView.builder if we have single item or complex item, but it will be repeated every time. So we can change this, for example, from 5 to 7. The last two will be black as well, because the default color will be black. So as you can see, it's black. So that will be all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.